Okay, so this is a video demonstration of Nitdroid running on the Nokia N800 internet tablet. This is a port of Google's Android operating system. As you can see, the touch screen works. I can scroll between the home screens here, just like you normally would on the G1. And we can also pull open the menu and check out all the applications. Some of them work, some of them don't. I have set up my email here, so I can show you that. I've got on my inbox here, and we can scroll through here. I can click on one to open it, and it works just fine. I've got reply, reply all, and delete here at the bottom. So that's the email client, works just fine. We've also got the software store available here, and this is here's a list of applications. We can see new ones, ones that are hot, a regular directory, and then I can search. So we can accidentally click. The touch screen is a little bit overly sensitive, but you can scroll between these, and here's the iTunes remote control application. I can click on here to download it. And it's going to bring me an information page about the application. It's downloading it now. I can then click on it to install it. It tells me that I need access to my network connection, which I have. So it's installing the iTunes control application now. And there we go, we can launch it now. So this is the permission. It's searching my network for iTunes libraries now, which I don't have any, so we're going to go ahead and cancel out of that and go back to our home screen. From here, we can get back our main things. Let's open up the browser here. And the browser works fine. I'm using Wi-Fi. Obviously, cellular connection isn't possible because the N800 does not have a SIM card. And you can press the menu key over here to bring up the toolbar on the bottom. And we can go to more. Let's see, our history here includes, oh look, Mobile Burn is on here. So as you can see, the browser works just fine. Loads up pages quite nicely. And this is the Mobile Burn homepage. The status bar on the top tells us how far it is downloading. We've still got a little bit left over here. And we can scroll through the page. We can open up a link here. The touch screen needs to be calibrated, but other than that, it's a little sensitive. Works okay. We can also, there is a on-screen keyboard that was ported over for this. So if we bring up that submenu again and do go to URL, here's the on-screen keyboard. Lets us type in a URL that we want to go to. It's a little bit sensitive, and it has a bad habit of doing things twice. So if you press the M, you may get two M's and that sort of thing. But you can type on it with your fingers. It's a little bit slow, but so that's the on-screen keyboard. See, now I've got 5 or 6 W's up here. You can see that we've got Android Authority pulled up here. You can scroll up and down the page quite nicely. There's zoom buttons that appear down here in the bottom. You can click the left one to zoom in. You can also drag the page anywhere and drag it around. It's a little bit slow, a little bit kludgy to use, but it works just fine. Oops, we can pull out that application window again and So that's Nitdroid running on the Nokia N800 Internet tablet. Thus far, the on-screen keyboard crashes quite often, and obviously the browser's a little finicky as well. Charging is an issue. It does not like to receive a charge while you're in Nitdroid, so a lot of times you basically have to reinstall Nokia's Maemo operating system, charge the battery, and then reinstall Nitdroid. So the whole process takes roughly maybe an hour or so, but it's not too complicated.